Hardware in 60 seconds. Let's talk manufacturing TLAs, specifically what I like to call the big three: EVT, DVT, PVT. EVT stands for Engineering Validation Test. This is the first phase of production ramp-up at your factory. The goal of this phase is to teach the factory team about your product and how to properly test and build it. This involves a lot of documentation and a lot of training. One of the key outputs from this phase is what's called a Standard Operating Procedure, or SOP. This is a step-by-step instruction manual for building your product. EVT is normally considered complete once the team at the factory can successfully test and build your device by following the SOP. Next comes DVT, or Design Validation Test. In a nutshell, the goal of DVT is to get the team at the factory to be able to build your product so that cosmetically it's good enough to ship. This is normally the phase where you confirm packaging, labeling, and any other certification marks for the product. DVT is considered complete when the team at the factory can build a fully packaged finished good. This brings us to PVT, Production Validation Test. The focus of PVT is to optimize for throughput and yield. Desired throughput and yield varies by product type, but a decent rule of thumb for a new product is to have a minimum yield of 95%, and that's EVT, DVT, and PVT.